Now for Mad Science Mondays, sponsored by Dodge City Paintball.
I was jamming to the music. Guys, it's a battle between hot or cold in the Mad Science Lab.
That's right. Let's check in with the dogs of science and see what they're up to.
Woof, woof.
We are the dogs of science.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
We are so happy to be here. It's springtime. It's time for cold weather to give way to warm weather. And we've got an experiment about that right now. This is so exciting. It's about cold water giving way to hot water taking over, okay? Yeah. So this is what we're gonna do. I want you to put blue food coloring into both of those, just a couple drops in each one. I'm gonna put red food coloring here. Okay? And then I want you to fill both of those up and like all the way to the top. So if it spills a little bit, I'm not too concerned. I'd rather it not, but that's okay. Okay. All the way to the top there. And all the way to the top here. So we've got 2 of blue and 2 of red. This is gonna be so cool. You know, I saw this on a YouTube video. It was mine. And it worked. Okay, that's good. Now watch this. Hot water, cold water. If we take cold water and put it on top of hot water, what do you think will happen?
I don't know exactly.
Don't know exactly, but we're going to find out.
Hot water is going to heat up the cold water like a furnace.
Watch this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to turn it over. Oh, a little bit of magic trick. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, now watch this. I'm going to pull this out right here, and we'll watch what happens. Okay. We know that blue and red mixing together makes purple, and we can see that mixing together because the hot water is rising, the cold water is going down. But wait, there's more. If we take if we take hot water and put it on top of cold water, that bottle's hot. Let me do this.
Yep, never mind.
Okay.
I don't want to do it, and then I felt the bottle. I was like, never mind.
So we're going to take hot water, put it on top. What do you think is going to happen?
The same thing.
Same thing, guaranteed. Either the same thing or something different will happen. Turn it over. Oops.
Oh, magic doesn't work here.
Magic doesn't work here. Put that right there.
I don't know if it's just me, but that is black.
Take a look. The same thing is not happening.
Ah.
A little bit of air getting in there, but the red is staying on top, blue is staying on bottom. Why, they ask? Why?
Ah, it's because heat rises.
Because heat rises. Heat's already at the top here. So that's going to stay like that. This is going to mix because we put the cold on top, let the heat rise. Pretty cool, huh? You want to do this at home, make sure you ask your mom or dad.
Parent,
not the pet. Because it's hot water and you want to be careful and make sure that they don't let you get burned.
Exactly.
Okay? Now the card there is to hold the water from coming out. You can see I spilled some water there, but that's okay. And also we put it on a tray to make sure that we didn't get grandma's antique table messed up when we use that. There you go. So that's what we have for you today, learning how heat rises, or in this case, everything stays the same. That's it from the Dogs of Science.
bye.
Can't wait to see you next time in the Mad Science Lab.
Woof, woof.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll be back on Friday for our Mad Science finale. That's around 10:45.
Yeah, guys, be sure to set those DVRs so you don't miss out on any of the STEM fun. And you can even try these experiments at home with your family.
And remember to visit okcmadscience.org for more educational resources.